Play Roblox.
Hmm? Hmm?
What's this? Oh, watch better.
Did I?
What?
No. Follow me.
Okay.
Paano mo malalaman
What
ang
I?
panahon na para bitawan ang relasyon ilang taon mo inalagaan?
Grabe naman.
Dry.
Tinanong lang naman kita. Grabe naman yung sagot.
Dry.
Hindi, uma-acting lang siya. Bakit?
Ilang taon mo bang inalagaan?
Ang mga aso. Alam, ang mga aso. Ayan, tumatawid pa rin.
Mabuti pa. Iyan ang ating pag-uusap.
Dry with the
Especially
Dry.
for you. Sino?
with the eye.
Tumawa ang
Dry.
dalawang
Huh?
isang
But the
Okay.
Ano?
Buzzer burn nga. Ha?
minsan ba? Sino nga ba ang dalawang minsan nag-ibigan at ngayon handa nang magparaya? Oy,
Paraya?
ganun.
Saan?
Ang alin?
Saan ako nagkamali? Saan pa nga ba mabubuo ang panibagong kwento ng ating searcher at ang kanyang mapipiling searcher kundi sa Historia Kitchen Class Bar sa Quezon City?
Hindi ka talaga endorser ng mga ganyan.
Siyempre, GC ko wala ba?
Bakit?
Nako!
Dry.
Bakit kaya hindi na ipinaglaban ng higit 7 taon na pagmamahalan?
Ay, grabe.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Did it
Hey, what's up, you guys? Me, Chris.
Um.
Hey, noob. We're close together.
Why? Dry. Follow me. Yup. What die? Dry. Follow me. Die. But right here. Haha. Die. No, what mine? What? Oh, people. No good. That's why.
What?
Since you know we're always changing, how can it be the same?
We have a child and she.
Each time you is a name.
At double.
Maraming salamat, Garrett Bolden.
Wow, galing! Grabe naman yun.
Biyaya lang. Pinaiyak mo si Bianca.
Especially for you, Bianca. At Simon.
May tissue ba tayo?
Welcome, pero sorry pinaiyak ka ni Karen.
Wala kaming tissue, yung unan na lang.
Ayan,
Ayun,
ayan, Bianca tissue.
Bianca, aga mo umiyak naman.
Thank you, Garrett.
Entrance pa lang, ano na.
Bumubus!
Si Garrett kasi, pinaiyak mo si Bianca.
Sorry na! That was the best renditions. Yeah.
Oo, Bianca, bakit ka ba naiiyak? Kamusta na si Ice?
Asawa mo ba?
Ex ko ba? Kamusta? Bakit ka naiiyak?
Ano po, nakita ko kasi sa yung pictures.
Tapos, nag-flashback lahat. Nagbalik lahat.
Sabi ko nga kay Kimi, ang sakit kasi meron silang pa-pictorial. Anong level na yung pagmamahalan nila nagpa-pictorial sa studio? with Ben.
Parang sila nga yan, hindi ba parang pakita sa ano?
Ayun ba yung picture mo? May 2023 ata po. Kasi first graduation po po yun. Kasi na po yung kasama ko. Pati po yung natin.
Good die.
Pero bago tayo dito doon, paano ba kayo nagkakilala?
Oo, yun muna. Yung mas alalahanin muna natin ang mga matatamis na mga alaala.
Ano po, sa kaibigan ko po. Sa... Doon pa ako sa kulit. Ayan.
Friendly na yun.
O, ba't ka naghahanap ng chicks nun? Mga ilang taon na.
2 years din po.
Pang ilang girlfriend mo si Bianca?
Bali, pangatlo po siya.
Pangatlo?
Ay, po, ay.
Oh, bakit
Ayun,
yung si
feeling niya
Bianca?
ba?
Parang
Parang
hindi
hindi
mo kaya.
naniwala si Bianca.
Yun po,
Hindi sumasangay. Bakit ano ba sabi sa'yo, Bianca? Pang ilang ka daw?
Pang ilang ka daw?
Parang 15. Ay, hindi, joke lang.
Grabe. Guwapo naman talaga ni Mon, no?
Iba talaga si Mon.
Parang pangatlo nga po.
Pero baka yung iba hindi official. Ganun ba yun?
Alam, ang first name mo ba, Mon?
Bakit?
Hindi po, rich naman po.
Akala ko kasi ma'am.
Mamon.
Matamis, masarap.
Mamuan.
So, nung nakita mo si Bianca, nung pinakilala sa'yo ng barkada nyo, anong una mong naramdaman?
Nagandaan po ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, yung sa bago ko, no, nagkita kami na ano na ako sa kanya, na yung tawag ko, iwaga ba?
Nahiwaga.
Mahiwaga.
Ayun.
Nahiwagaan ka kay Bianca.
Parang
ba suot
misteryosa
nun?
ba yan?
Nakaputi ba siya noon? Naka ano?
Lumulutang ba siya nun? Bakit sabihin mahiwaga? Bakit? Bakit mo nasabi?
Kasi kitang-kita mo yung kagandahan niya eh. Siya lang yung maganda sa harap mo.
Hi!
Ayun sa'yo.
Hi.
Narinig yung
Gabi.
nahiwagaan.
Kumbaga sa lahat ng mga babae ron, siya lang talaga yung nangingibabaw.
Kasi po ako lang po yung babaeng...
Ano?
yung babaeng
Doon
sa tropa natin, ikaw lang mabiyahe doon?
Oo.
Babae. Kaya naman pala mo.
Nag-stand out ka.
Ang importante, babae ang tingin sa'yo. Diba? So, nabighani ka na sa kanya.
Opo, sobra po. Tapos yung nakasalubo ko po yung tita ko, pinakilala ko na siya agad ng girlfriend ko po.
Agad-agad.
Di pa lang yun?
Opo, first meet po
Talaga
namin.
pong nagulat po ako, ma'am. Girlfriend mo na ako agad.
Ano naramdaman mo, Bianca?
Nagulat po ako kasi hindi ko ini-expect. Hindi ko talaga ini-expect na girlfriend. Nagkita lang tayo sa concert ni Paolo. Tapos, girlfriend. Sa concert
Si Pabu pala may kasalanan. Favorite ko lang yun. Ano team song na nakanta ni Bambu?
Si Bambu may kasalanan. Pero mo, sinabi niya, ikaw na Bianca, mahiwaga ka daw. Ano naman ang unang impression mo kay Mon?
Buwan.
Hala. Eh kasi noon, ang payat niya.
Pwede pa rin naman siya ngayon.
Mas maganda na po kasi yung katawan niya ngayon. Noon po kasi ang payat niya po, pero hindi ka naman po sinabing pangit siya, grabe siya.
So kaya siya, walis tinting lang sa tingin mo.
Pero nakita ko para siyang bad boy look. Ganyan.
Oh.
Bad boy look yun. Oo, kala mo manunod.
How? Why is it not rolling?
Kaya na sinabi niya,
Oh, there.
Matapos pa.
Oo, sige po. Ganun.
Pero
But
umuwi ka ba?
wait, kuku.
Umuwi ka?
Kasi po, after po nung gabi yun, nagkita rin kami.
Allergic hair.
Nagkita rin kami.
15 minutes? What?
My pause minute. Die.
What?
Ano reaction mo sa tita niya kasi pinakilala ka?
Okay, I'm gonna
Bless na
wait.
lang po ako.
Bless ka.
So yun niya.
Nag-bless na lang po ako kasi nila po ako eh.
so parang gusto
Die.
niyo ang isa't
What?
isa. nung gabing yun?
4 minutes? Ah, naka-quick.
Ay, invented.
Iyak-iyak ka kanina, tapos sasabihin mo, hindi.
Hindi, pero paano mo na siya natanggap na, sige na nga, magkayo na tayo, mag-jowa na tayo.
Kasi po, September yon, so October, sinama niya ako ulit sa bahay nila sa birthday ng lola niya. Doon ko na-realize na, hala, parang gusto ko na siya talaga. Gusto ko na siya.
Nagustuhan mo ba siya dahil sa handa? Hindi na doon sa handa.
Sa tingin ko po, kasi binigyan nila ako pang pauwi.
Babaon?
May pasyaron ka.
May pasyaron.
Ah, nagpasyaron.
Ayun, tapos po, nakita ko kung gaano sila kabait na makitungo.
Tsaka siguro pinapakilala ka sa pamilya.
Palagi,
Sa tita, sa lola.
Opo.
Napamahal sila sa'yo, yung buong pamilya.
Yes po.
Ano nagustuhan mo kay Mon?
Mabait po yan, sobrang bait. Yun po talaga sa yung pagiging maalaga niya. Yun talaga the best.
Paano kanya inaalagaan?
Inihele po. Ay, hindi. Joke lang.
Paano, mga tulad na?
Katulad po ng paper po kasi hindi ko nararanasan ibinig na kayo. Tapos po, kapag po kasi sa street, yun po. Kapag ang
Sinimuli niya.
Siya naghihimay.
That jump.
Na?
Jump is there.
Yeah.
Jump.
Jump? Why?
That jump.
Ang dami na.
Yan.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Mamaya na yung ulo ng train.
Sarap kasi ito naalala
Hindi,
ko.
tsaka nandun daw yung mga toxins.
That phone.
Yung healthy part.
Yan.
Ah.
That done. I'm done. Then move us.
Ha?
Dad.
Oh,
Kasi
That
yun yung
pet
tapos
that.
kapag may exam
Ay.
quick.
No, no.
Inialam sa pa.
Dad.
Ano?
And that move me, Dad. Dad.
Ano ba? Ah?
No, 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 no.
Anong gagawin?
No. Wag na Snoopy.
Bakit?
Parinig mo mo, no medyo.
Hold
Masyadong mababa.
and zoom in. Zoom.
Ako nakatingin sa tuhod. Sabi ko,
And play, play, play.
Play?
Opo. And don't move. Dad. No, Dad. No, no, no.
Sa pagpipilay,
Ay.
Kasi minsan nakikita yung
kasi ano naman, si Mon, ano naman gusto mo kay Mon?
sobrang sweet niya ni Gana sa ako. Sarap ko magluto.
Paano yung sweet? Paano yung sweet?
Paano yung sweet? Sinubelin mo naman.
Sobrang napaka...
Malambing.
Malambing.
At mga ginagawa ni Bianca na talagang
Bahay ko.
tulad
Sabi
na.
ko, 54.
Bigyan ka namin yung time kami. Ano mga ginagawa ni Bianca? Talagang nagbuhat.
Oo.
Ah,
Kayo nasa loob, siya nasa labas.
Ay, ko kasi.
Ano mga luto na dito sila? Wow. Ito ba?
Walang maalaga.
Ito lang sabi ko, luluhos mo na
Dalawa. Kasi, siya ang nagluluto siya.
Buong na lang din siya.
Bago siya magluto, hiniwaan ko yung
Hello, si.
Minsan na, kakain ko na sa plato kasi pinipigil natin. Ako pa'y pinapigil. Ano ba? Lalo malapit.
Dad.
Yung dryer ka?
And Dad.
Uy, bakit kaya niyo yung hawak? Kaya niyo yung hawak ko kami. Tapos ano nangyari?
Tapos ang nakakatawa ko, ginamit ko na yung kasi nag-aaral ako sa STEM. Tapos siya nasa bahay ko namin. Nagtitinda kami ng sticker. Siya yung naglalaro sa subdivision. Tapos pwede ko sa bahay. Ngayon, papunta ko sa amin sa bahay. Siya, naka-e-like siya noon. Tapos sa subdivision lang siya naikot. Gano'n.
Madiskarte pala ko yung pagko.
Tapos, ang naipon namin nun, 1K. Yung date namin, 1K.
Special.
Celebrate mo na naman yung isang taon yun.
Kasi nag-aaral ka pa noon.
Estudyante pa sa
Tapos naghanap kayo ng baka.
Find the minions from Despicable Me 4 on their mission with every Happy Meal.
How strong can you get with a large enough credit score? Honestly, half the time I'm using her, I can't really tell what's even going on. This is faster than switching to like a full team, dude. Holy! Take this bird down! No! Wait, it's winnable. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I am here to answer a very, very important question. The Spiral Abyss has been the bane of mankind ever since Genshin Impact released 4 years ago. It is known for being some of the hardest content that this game has. My question here today is, can C6 Chlorand solo the Spiral Abyss by herself? Well, more specifically, can I use only Chlorand on one half of the Spiral Abyss and still manage to get 36 stars? Now, if you missed it, there is a video on the main channel where I spent just a little bit too much money, C6 and Chlorand, so we're gonna put her to the test here, see if that investment is truly worth it. Spoiler alert, probably not. We're gonna start here on floor 9. This is my Chlorand build, by the way, before we get into it. Level 90, 2100 attack, 68 to 275, 106 energy recharge.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
She's using 2-piece Thunder and 2-piece Glad. Here are the artifact stats if you want to pause. C6.
Okay.
Your talents are currently at 611 and 11. Now, I think she's probably going to be fine here. It is floor 9. Obviously, it's called the Inquisitus
Oh,
Baptist.
okay, it's done now.
Iniquitous,
Why?
sorry.
It's
And he's
done.
kind of
Make
annoying, so-
make sure it's already washed.
I guess we'll see, right?
Oh,
Well,
Me
only
too.
one way to find out. Triple Magu Kenkis! Let's see it. How much damage did I even do so far? Oh god. Actually.
Die.
What?
Okay, she's like shredding. And getting particles too.
I'm clean.
You're cleaner?
No,
Okay.
no.
Okay, wait.
Die,
wait.
die.
That was a skill
But
issue.
oh,
That
mine.
was a skill issue. I swear, that was a skill issue. Look at the tankiness she has.
Die.
What?
This should
Die.
not be allowed.
Whoa. No.
This should
Hello?
No.
not be allowed.
Die.
Push it up here.
Die.
Gamitin ka?
That's one
Apa.
down.
Die.
Ito na nga, Diyos ko naman.
Be the rest of them.
No.
What the? This is
Oo nga, quick na. Diyos ko naman.
Alright.
Wait nga lang kasi.
Alright, hopefully I can keep these guys grouped up here. Okay. Good. Of course they do that. And that should be both of them. Alright, next up, who should we focus on? Probably these guys, right? Alright, one down. Oh my god, the shields are actually clutch. It's real. Shiori shields are meta. Oh no. No, don't do this. Oh my god, these guys are the most annoying. Uh-oh. Might need to take a healing card soon. Oh, stop it. I can't get any shields because they don't actually infuse any more.
Oh, detergent nga, detergent.
Accident.
Wait, it's winnable. It's
Mine-
absolutely winnable.
no, mine-
Hold on.
Oh,
This is so winnable. I could probably do better on this.
And done.
Just take the damage, it's fine. You're good, you're good. Okay, you're not good. Oh, come on.
Duh.
Can't even see what's happening on my screen. That's 2 down. Please. Oh my god. Alright, there we go. Another attempt. This guy's taunting me right now? Alright, there we go. Go on, give me a shield. It's meta. Alright, there we go. Oh, here we go. Okay, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. 2v1 is not fair, dude. They basically have the same skills as me. Okay, please, get rid of her right now. Okay, there we go. It's a 1v1. Okay, come on, just stun lock her. Infinite stun lock, please. Oh my god, here we go. Alright, come on, here we go. Let's see what we have here. Honestly, shouldn't be too bad here, I don't think. Should be fine. Self-healing and advantage reduction, of course. Putting in work. Alright, ult should be up soon. Alright, here we go. Alright, not bad, not bad, not bad. Shiori. This is not looking too hot. Any pyro shields? Any pyro shields? Anyone? No? We're fine. Uh-oh. This is not good. Oh, I'm so alive! No, don't run towards them! Don't run towards them, please! Oh, wait. Take this bird down! No! Wait. It's winnable. I need a healing blessing. She can't heal herself. Okay, you know, I'm not actually trying too hard. I'm gonna give her one character, okay? Zhongli. This is supposed to be a very casual video, okay? I don't know why I'm trying so hard here. You know, I think it might be doable with enough dodging, but I just don't have the brain capacity for that at this moment. Do I even need to? I don't think I need to ult. I can probably save it. Nice. Killer or Black Sword healing? Yeah. No! I can't be bothered though, I'm sorry. This is just for fun. I'm not like optimizing rotations or min-maxing anything. This video is not even about Shiori. I don't know how she got in here. It's so much faster with Zhongli. Yeah. It's because Shiori really needs another Geo character in the party in order to like actually benefit from her full kit. So running her solos just basically throwing. It doesn't even have to be Zhongli. It could be like Goro or something. Just having a character that can place the Geo construct down. Florian though, it's a different story. I think you might have a shield. Okay, great. You still need some reactions, passives. Yeah, true, but her C6, I feel like Florian's C6 is so much more busted than Chiori's already. Like, Cloran's kit is already centered around her doing damage. Chiori's kit is more around like her being a support until C6. So, thank you. Like, just look at that. Yeah, how much damage there is. Okay. Is this winnable? I actually don't know. Can I break the shields with Geo? I think I can. Okay, I have a full minute. Surely this is winnable. Okay, actually faster than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be way slower. Alright, that's one. Oh, it's not even gonna take us a full minute. And that's two. Literally can't see anything. It'd be like that sometimes. Alright, here we go. It is time. Let's finish this off here. I'm gonna save my ult here because I don't think I can take them down. I should be able to, right? Yep. Okay. This shred is insane. Probably don't need my ult here either.
Dad.
Oh, come on. And last one. Oh, I might
Do
need
it.
time.
Try.
No! Alright, here we go. She does it. She's too good. Oh my god. Alright. This is where the challenge truly begins though. Because I don't know if we can break these shields. I'm gonna be honest. I'm really not sure. I don't know if we can do it in time. I mean, kind of, I guess. Very slowly. Very slowly. This is looking unwinnable. Unless... Hold on a second. 5 seconds, wait. And then Chiori with reverses time to give me. Okay. It might be doable if I restarted and cleared faster with Cloran, but I don't care that much. Well, you have it. If I try harder a little bit more and played like optimization and min-max, honestly, they're doable.
At Mama Move, we make delivery fast and simple, no matter what you've got to send. We're it.
Everybody, how's it going? Welcome back. I hope you're having a good day. Puzzles, I crave them. Puzzles and side quests. I want to do a mixture of both. I think it'll be fun. Let's play games. So, how's it going? Welcome back. I want to do some secrets. I don't know. That's the last time. I haven't really tried to tackle anyone. I wanted to beat the game today. I was like, no, you're being food. Let's stream with birds. So that's what we're... Today's the day. It's finally time. Let's not get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna beat the game right now. I'm going to part the Demon King, if that's okay with you. You found the Sage of Sleep. Fantastic work, man. It was fantastic work. And as a reward for it, could you please teach Link how to do basic math? I beg of you. The ancient past, Princess Zelda worked to restore the decayed Master Sword and return it to This is actually kind of. I touched it. My bad. Hello? Where am I right now? Hey, fellas. Calling you existing down here, and if you could not, that'd be sick. So electric bats, I decided to remember my business. Oh, hello, sir. Weird place for you to be. You're not ready. You don't want it. I'm telling you right now. You don't want this fight. Oh my god, of course he does. I don't have a shield up. I'm fine. This is a good start. Do I even want to fight you right now? I don't think I do. But I will. Someone over there was so confused. Also, how did you get down here? That's so sad. Oh, I don't want to dodge that still. I'll never mind. The Master Sword is running low on energy. That's fine, because once I win this fight, I will use his horns to make it stronger. Surely there's like weapons and stuff down here that I can find, because I did not come prepared. Yep, good try. Do better, maybe? Whoa! Why did he put away the ship? Why did he explain that to me and get that prepared to fall over? I don't have a bow out. I was just not ready for this fight, apparently. Also, the Master of stuff, by the way, is glad Minna was helping. Hiding behind that big this whole fight. Okay, he broke my shield and I am now. I'm not gonna have anything for this boss fight. And if that's not how I played this entire game, I don't know what it is. There's gotta be stuff in there, right? Other than like a wound man, a wound little great attached to my shield. Prepare to fall over, please. I cannot see if there is a way. Hold on. Hold on. Can you show me this? Can you not, please?
Dad. 3. Four. This mural that's covered up here is kind of terrifying. I want you to know that. I was right. And there she is. If Zelda could have just seen this, I don't think it would have changed her decision. I don't. She was very sure of what she had to do, I think, since she learned that that was something that she did. And we're going to bring her back.
It's already done.
I have 3 health. I hope you're ready to lose. I'm stuck on the ceiling again. Actual goblin activity. Imprisoning the chamber. So it's good.
Okay.
Die.
Where are you?
Why?
Asan ka?
Why?
Tapos na eh.
Below?
Oo, ayun no. 35 minutes na. Where are you?
Why?
Picture tayo.
Die.
Ah.
Why?
Oo, eh bakit? One more video pa.
Huh?
One more video pa.
To below?
Oo.
He'd be like, oh,
Wait.
he's